This is all wood that when our trees down the other side, I've been having them slab cut. But you can see I gotta put them through a planer. I gotta square them up because the ends and everything is crooked, very crooked. And that's what I'm out here doing quite a bit, is getting a lot of this squared up. Just like this one. Once you get one side flat, then you can run it through your saw normal. But I'm getting this ready to do some other type woodwork. I made this old jig here. Ain't nothing great, just 2 clamps, but a flat board and flat on this side over here. As long as that's flat, even if you got it crooked in here, it's still going to make a straight line. And then you put it on the other side and you'll square your board up. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. Run another piece through, give you an idea. But that's how I square my wood up and make my boards. You can see how bad and crooked this one here is. I mean, it saves you a lot of money, but you got to do a lot more work to get it all sanded down, squared up, and cut up. I used to let people come in and cut a lot of the wood down for firewood, and after I retired, I decided to start just using it myself and making stuff. So once you got this on here real good, you raise your blade upward just above this just a little bit so you can get one square spot. So this is a scrap that I cut off of it. So now you got one real good square edge. Like I said, a lot more work, but it does save money. And it's better than throwing it in for firewood.